Greetings to everyone. Let's continue our topic, conventional resources. Here we will study about natural gas. Natural gas is found along with those of petroleum in oil fields. When crude oil is brought out to surface, the natural gas is released. This gas can be used as domestic and industrial fuel. It is an eco-friendly fuel because of low carbon dioxide emissions. It can be sent through pipelines. As a transport fuel, CNG, compressed natural gas, is used to run vehicles. And as a domestic fuel, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is very useful in domestic uses like cooking. Norway, UK, and Netherlands are the major producers of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Tripura, Krishna Godavari Delta, and in some area in offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. Now, hydel power. Hydel power is the power of water used to generate electricity. The electricity generated by using water is called hydroelectricity. To produce this electricity, rainwater or river water stored in dams. Water is allowed to fall from heights. The water turns the blades of the turbine, which turn the generator to produce electricity. After generation of electricity, the water which flows out of turbines is used for irrigation. Hydel power is non-polluting and cheaper than thermal power. 1/4 of the electricity is produced by hydel power. The leading producers of hydel power in the world are Norway, Brazil, and China. Some important hydel power stations in India are Bhakhra Nangal, Gandhi Sagar, Naga Arjun Sagar, and Damodar Valley projects. In next module, we will learn non-conventional source of energy.